Basler here, Katy, Texas, September 27th, 2010. One of my favorite creatures on the face of the earth, the cicada, is molting. See how small his wings are, how moist they are. In fact, his left wing is still unfolding. He's probably getting a little nervous with all this attention, and he knows darn well he's vulnerable. Why he chose a spot only 2 feet above grade is a mystery to me. But he's emerging. That wing's unfolding. And let me see if I can't film him from another angle here. Thanks to Mrs. Conrad for pointing him out. I walked right past him. Here he is, that wing's unfolding. Secondary wings are unfolding. Right now he's completely emerged out of the shell. And what are you doing? Just waiting? I've got stills, not video of the oak leaf roller caterpillar, Archips semiforana, emerging in the assassin bugs, pouncing on them while they're waiting for their wings to dry and just munching on them. Assassin bug's the only creature that's escaped from a Ziploc bag, at least one of my Ziploc bags. His wings are almost twice as long as they were when I first started filming it. I wonder if he moves to the sunny side, it'll dry out faster. The one wing, it'll dry deformed if he doesn't. Look at that big, fat, juicy abdomen. There's a lot of protein in that bug. Move to the sunny side, dude.